Okay, today we're going to look at a Brown & Sharpe visual grind. This is a unique machine. You can visually watch as you grind. That's why they call it visual grind. This is a 6/18 sized machine. On here currently is a 6x12 Walker Cermak chuck, fine pole division, permanent magnetic chuck. It is hydraulic. You have a hydraulic table traversing back and forth, as well as you can work by hand. Your cross feed is by hand with a fine feed, and also the down feed is by hand with a fine feed. It's currently wired for 220, 230 volts. This section mounted over here is a projector and mirror and screen comparator combination. Behind this cover here, you've got a couple of lenses and some mirrors and a lamp and a fan. You've got another mirror back here that's adjustable, and then you've got some mirrors in the back of this to project the image onto this screen while you're grinding. So we're going to go ahead and start it up. I got to turn on the... Okay, now it's turned on. We start the hydraulics. And as you can see here in the window is just a picture of a little thing that I have on the magnet. And what you would actually be looking at would be your grinding wheel coming back here and actually being able to grind these little areas here on your workpiece. This is what this machine allows you to do. You can physically bring the wheel right into there and zero in on it and come down and take so much material off if you're touching up a die. I really can't imagine what you use it for. I just basically know how it works with lenses and mirrors. Again, it does move. Your picture doesn't change, you know, by moving your saddle in or out. What's moving is the grinding wheel. Now, if that was a wheel on there now that was going through that beam of light, you would see that wheel moving back and forth. But that's what moves, is the wheel. The lens is adjustable behind this door. It has a stroke of about maybe 5 or 6 inches so that you can center your workpiece, because this can only be in focus in one spot on the chuck, and that's basically the spot it's at right now for the length that the lens is set at. This has got a 20x lens in here. This also goes up and down, and you have fine adjustments up and down and left and right all the way in the back here with these 3 knobs here. And then you have a light intensity. You have, again, the up and down of this here. Got a little curtain. Now, some people take the frosted glass out and they put a regular glass in. So down here, there's lots of spare pieces of plain, regular 1/8 inch thick clear glass that you would put your inlay, your overlay on, and then your picture of the overlay you match to the wheel and to the part that you're grinding. So it's a pretty cool machine. We've gone through it. We've flushed out the hydraulic system, cleaned out the tank. The hydraulics and the tank are in the base of this machine. There is no coolant system. This is not a wet machine. This is a tool room machine made for touching up molds and dies and making intricate little parts. Again, this is the the visual grind, basically built on a Micromaster. If you're familiar with the Micromaster, this is a Brown & Sharpe 6/18 Micromaster. It's just that it's hand feed. Your up and down is hand feed, your in and out is hand feed. Your table is automatic. You can have the table going back and forth. Although I think most people probably use it by hand. And you can shut, well, you can't shut it off because you need your spindle to be on, but there'd probably be a way around taking that hydraulic system out of there. They got a switch here. I don't know what it does. Probably turns an outlet on someplace, a spare outlet. So anyway, thank you very much. I hope you got a little information from that. It's the Brown and Sharpe visual grind. Thank you.